Let's say I didn't have a social media presence before. I had never been on social media, and this is a new era, and I've been advised to go on social media to build a brand for myself. These 3 key questions will guide every single activity I do on social media. Hey guys, my name is Wobidi, and on this channel I share actionable tips and tricks on how to build a brand, a personal brand for yourself, leveraging the digital media to build your presence. If this is something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to turn on the post notifications so that you get notified each time I make a new post. Now let's get right into the video, because this is not going to be a long video. I'm just going, like you can see, this is like an unofficial video, no super editing, no fancy, nothing, just simple. I'm just going to go straight to the point and let you know what's up. All right, if I were to start my social media journey from the scratch in 2025, I'm going to be super clear on answering these 3 key questions. Now, these 3 questions, if answered correctly, make a remarkable difference between the high flyers on social media and those who are just struggling to get by. You get the point. The first question here is, who am I? Basic question, right? A lot of people are on social media and they don't even have an answer to this question, and they just go on social media, they make any kind of post, they engage on all kinds of posts, they are all things to all men, and it is a problem. It is difficult for them to get by because they don't have any clear path they are following on social media. The first thing you want to do is ask yourself the question, who am I? What comes naturally to me? What's my authentic, real self? Because we're looking at building a personal brand on social media, right? So it has to be something that is revolved around your personality. It has to be something that comes from your core, from within you. So ask yourself the question, who am I? What comes naturally to me? That's the first question you have to ask. The next question you have to answer is, what value am I bringing? I know this question has been flying around on the internet for a long time now. Hey, what do I bring to the table? What do I bring to the table? What do you bring to the table? That is your value proposition. That is your unique value proposition. What is that value that you have to offer your audience? Why should people even care? Why should people connect to you in the first place? Are you going to make them happy? Are you a comedian? Are you a skit maker? Are you going to add value to their life? Like, help them build a better brand for themselves? Are you going to help them to become the best versions of themselves? Are you going to be offering a product? Are you going to be offering a service? Whatever it is, ask yourself the question, what am I here to do? Then the next question that you want to answer is, why am I here? Why am I here is different from what I am here to do. Why am I here is the core essence of your being on social media. The question why has to do with your purpose, basically. All right, so let's say, for example, I'm Wobidi, and I am so that or committed to helping people become the best versions of themselves, right? That's my big why. All right, the what now is going to stem from the question why. So what can I do on social media? There are several things I do. For example, I'm making videos like this to help you to build a better brand on social media. That is what. Now, beyond the helping you build a better brand on social media, the whole essence is still to help you to become the best version of yourself, all right? Because I want you to communicate your authentic self online. If you're communicating your authentic self online, you're gradually becoming better. You'll be, my own philosophy, I feel like I'm helping you to become a better person, basically, all right? Because you could just go on social media and do whatever you want, but I'm literally giving you a clear path to follow so that you can communicate your best self out there. So you can see that the what is different from the why. The why is the underlying factor. The why is the whole essence of why I do whatever I do. Even if I am going to be teaching you how to grow on your digital presence, let me just put this simply. Let's say if I'm going to be teaching you how to become a better digital marketer, that's one. I'm going to be teaching you, for example, how to become a better communicator. I'm going to be teaching you, let's say, how to dance better and all. All these questions or all these things I'm outlining here are the what. What am I here to teach you? I'm teaching you how to be a better dancer. I'm teaching you how to be a better communicator, right? That's the what. But the undertone of this what is the why. Why am I teaching you how to be a better dancer? So you can become the best version of yourself in that field, all right, in that niche, in whatsoever you're doing. Why am I teaching you to become a better communicator? Because I want you to become a better version of yourself. Do you not see how it's, you see? I'm not just on social media because of the what. I am here because of the why, and my why is crystal clear, all right? Then the next thing I want to ask myself is how. How am I going to communicate whatever it is I am here to do on social media? And the how has to do with your strategy, all right? So am I going to be communicating or creating videos or posts? Am I going to be communicating what I want to offer to my people on social media, using humor as one of my strategy? Am I going to be a skit maker, and then in the midst of my skit making, I am passing a message across? Am I going to be doing that? Am I going to be doing monologues? Am I going to what kind of personality am I going to adopt to communicate what I want to get out there online. So now, if you could answer these questions, I know I said 3 initially, but yeah, that's it, 4 questions. If you can answer these 4 questions very clearly, you have a starting point to good purpose-driven social media presence or personal brand on social media. So ask yourself the question. Let's say if you are a thought leader in the financial niche, for example, you ask yourself the question who you are, and who you are embodies your stories and everything that makes you you. All right, then the next thing you want to ask yourself is, what am I here to do? Are you going to be offering financial advice? Are you going to be helping people to manage their finances better? Now, beyond the what, the why are you going to be helping people to manage their finances well? Why are you going to be teaching them personal finance? All right, so you're teaching them personal finance because you want to help them to live a better quality life, to be able to cater for their needs, for their families, to be able to reduce the rates of social vices in the society by teaching people actionable, practical financial skills that could help them build a fortune for themselves without stealing. You now see that it makes a lot of sense. Now you're going deeper. You're not just going wide, you're going deeper to the core of why you're doing what you're doing. So the why has to do with your purpose. Then how you communicate that online. Are you going to be doing webinars? Are you going to be doing master classes? What exactly, how are you going to be communicating that online? Guys, I've been talking a lot. So basically, if you can answer these 4 questions, you have somewhere to start off from. Now let's do something really quick. Let me know in the comment section why you're on social media. Let me know your big why you're on social media, and let's see how we can help you refine that in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe once again and turn on the post notification so that you get notified each time I make a new post. And if you're looking for the best way to grow your personal brand on social media, you can go to my channel to find videos to find really insightful. Thank you so much, and see you in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.